Hey guys, this is Shivam and today we are going to test a new product which is very useful for your kitchen as well as your household also. This is a type of sharpener. By this you can sharp any of the tool which need sharpness. So in this video we are going to unbox this product and we will test this product also. So let's check this out. When you order this product by the link which is given in the description below, so you will find this type of box. You can see the picture of it and you can open this box, and here is this is machine, a motorized machine, and along with this you can get one attachment, and you can attach here so that the waste can be stored here. In the bottom you will get the space for the batteries, and I have one rechargeable battery, and I have purchased 3 more batteries. And please insert very carefully. All the marks of plus and minus is marked here, so put batteries accordingly. So I'm going to put all the batteries, and here's the plus and one is minus. I insert all the batteries, so just quickly close this box, and yeah, it's all done. And this is the button by which you can start this. It is motorized, so there is no any battery with this box. You will have to purchase this from the market. And after the inserting the cells, now here is some blocks, right? Here you can sharp the scissors by this, right here and like this. And if you rotate this, here is 2 blocks. By this you can sharp your knives, and here's the 2 blocks, so you can sharp 2 knife at a time. So one is here and second one is here, like this. So right, and you will have to rotate up and down. Here is the 2 blocks. With this you can sharp the screwdrivers. You will have to insert here or here, and after this your screwdriver or tester will be sharp. Now quickly just a quick demo of this. I have one knife which is blunt, and so I'm going to sharp this. Quickly just do this. I have inserted it and just press the button, and it's starting. So it has sharpened. You can see this. It has sharpened and it working effectively. And you can remove this cap also if you The price is near about 350 rupees, and the prices are fluctuated according to the market. So if you want to know the exact price of this, you can follow the link which is in description, and there you can find the exact price at that time when you watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you have any question, any suggestion, any advice, you can write in comment section below, and do subscribe our channel so that we can get our latest update. So I meet you in next video. Till then, goodbye and take care of yourself.